Gained Defi Advanced Pro to review. Road Bike of the Year winner. Our Road Bike of the Year winner for 2024, our rating GBP 3499.00 euro. Our review. A pure road bike experience with performance, price, and comfort all in its favor. Pros: balanced handling, comfortable, stable, but still quick. Cons: tires lack sense of speed but are very grippy. Gain's latest generation of its endurance focused Defigoats Sporter, smoother and lighter at the flats hip SL level, and this Pro model is just impressive for a lot less cash. The original Defi, released in 2008, was Green's take on delivering road race performance and geometry in a package that would appeal to non-elite level racer, essentially bringing the heart and soul of the legendary TCR race bike to the rest of us. For every iteration since, Gate has stuck states fastly to the Defi's road-focused routes. Meanwhile, plenty of its rivals, including the specialized Robex tracks domain and even Kendall's Sepons, have embarrassed a more all-road outlook, taking element of gravel and meshing them with a road bike approach. The latest Daffy doubles down on its road routes, and while Gaint has upped the tire clearance to 38 mm, that's more about running modern wider road tires with mudguards as opposite to squeeze in a set of gravel tires. The Gaint Daffy is our road bike of the years for 2024. The Gendafi Evidence Pro 2 is our road bike of the year winner for 2024, also winning the Endurance Bike of the Year award in the process. Head to our road bike of the year announcement to find out why. And to see the rest of our winners, we will also be publishing all 54 reviews from our test over the next month. Head to the Bike of the Year 2024 hub for more. Gain Defi Evidence Advanced Pro 2 frames details. The Advanced Pro level Gain Defi frameset follows the same design and geometry as the advanced SL level bike. However, while the SL frame has a race bike beating 785 gram weight, the Pro uses a more affordable carbon fiber mix. It's heavier but still come in lighter than the previous generation SL model at 860 gram, claimed in a size medium. It shares the same advanced SL grade for fork at 345 gram, claimed the previous generation fork was said to weigh 406 gram. The Advanced Pro still a seriously light frame set, and it all adds up to total weight of 8.48 gram with two bottle cages and an out front mount. The Defi's Loaf 8.08 kg and Canon 7.98 kg 2024 Bike of the Year Endurance Bike category rivals are both lighter, but they are 959 euro and 1200 euro more expensive respectively. The specialized Robux SL8 Comp 5000 euro tips the scale at 9.17 kg in a 50